tapping his link, guys. Please do connect. Thank you so much. Please connect to Tony Skittle. Thank you so much. Connect, guys. But maybe in how many minutes more we're leaving here. Maybe it's around 5 o'clock we're leaving. And if I have time, I have continue my live, or maybe I'm going to your channel, every one of you, to watch your videos. Guys, connect, guys. So somebody down on my chat box. KSR channel, from where are you? Guys, please connect to KSR and Tony Skittle and some other to the chat box, guys. They all legit. And please, guys, SOP lang tayo, SOP. SOP, watch the videos before anything else, before like, subscribe, and notification bell all. The most important, watch the videos and connect each other, okay? Thank you so much. May ginagawa siguro, baka nasa ano siya. Kasi hindi ko pa naman live kanina, baka nasa Facebook siya. Kasi sometimes nasa Facebook siya pag ganong oras. Make sure you leave a comment on the video from Tony Skittle said. Para kayo mabalikan, guys, that's right. Leave a comment from the video and leave a comment also from where are you been. Okay? You're welcome. We're supporting each other, guys. We're supporting each other. We're supporting each other for our videos too. Ayan, Tony Skittle, greetings to Melbourne. Yes, I know. This time is your morning time, right? This is a morning time only to your place. But here is good afternoon. Here already is afternoon. Sooner will become night time because it's already what time is it? Okay. We check the fish over here again. We have a big fish pond here. We have a big fish pond here. Then we're getting some fish here by feeding the fish. Hello, Henrita Solidad from Tony Skittle. Sisi Henrita Solidad is from Australia. Tony Skittle. This is my family playing the fish. You see, there's lots of fish here. O yeah, mahulog yung mga ano mo. Ayan. Look at that. Look at that. That's lots of fish. Please leave a comment on my videos. I'll get back to you. Thanks, from Henrita. Okay, guys, did you observe it? There's lots of fish. Ano yan, hilo malaki? Nakahuli ka uli?
Hawak mo.
Tama na.
Ito nahuli nila, oh. Did you see this, Tony Skittle? Did you see that? Lots of fish. Nakahuli, oh. Ang galing ni Chloe, oh. Ang laki, oh. Sa baso lang yun, ha. Sa baso. Sa baso lang yan, ha. Kanina pa yan. Talaga to, dapat to tumira sa ano eh. Dapat tumira kayo sa ano eh, para mahusay kayo manghuli. Thanks, Tony Skittle from Henrita. Tony Skittle, sir, I already visit to you. Anong huli? Abay, late naman yung huli niya, oh. Guys, connect, guys. We have fun for fishing. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Lots of fishing.